Hello, my dear children. All of you, welcome back to our English class. In this class, let's start our new unit, the language of birds. Unit 3, the language of birds. The language of birds is the adapted version of a popular Russian folktale. The story focuses on living in harmony with other creatures. Shall we make a bird? A paper bird. Are you ready, my dear children? Now look at the screen, my dear children. Follow these instructions and make a bird with the paper. Take a strip of paper. The measurement is given. For the paper to make a knot, draw dotted lines for the beak and feather. Cut through the dotted lines. You can make it more attractive. You can use color papers. Okay, my dear children. Now let's read the story of a boy who is fond of birds. A soothing song. A soothing song. All of you look at the picture, my dear children. What can you see in the picture? What time of the day is it? Is it day or night? Yes, it's a night time. Why do you think he is looking out? Can you guess? Now let's look at the story of Ivan. Ivan is a poor boy who is fond of birds. Let's read the story of Ivan. All of you listen very carefully. Let's read it. Once upon a time in Russia, there lived a rich merchant. He had a servant, a bright and brave boy called Ivan. The merchant was a cruel man. He made Ivan toil from dawn to dusk. Ivan had no time to rest. Here comes, my dear children. In Russia, the place, the story happening in Russia. There lived a rich merchant. There lived a rich merchant. He had a servant. He is our boy, Ivan. He was a servant of the rich merchant. He was bright and brave boy. He was very intelligent. The merchant was a cruel man. He made Ivan toil from dawn to dusk, morning to night. He gave so many works for Ivan, and Ivan had no time to rest. Always busy and busy, always work and work. Ivan was a poor boy. Tired after heavy work, Ivan would lie on his bed. Then a nightingale would start singing sweet songs to him. Every night the nightingale used to sing for him. He could never see the nightingale as it was dark outside, but its song soothed him to sleep. What a lovely song! How beautifully it sings! But what is the meaning of its song? I wish I could understand the language of birds. Ivan would think. Yes, what's happening at night? There comes a nightingale. There comes a nightingale. And it starts singing sweet song to Ivan. Every night the nightingale used to sing for him. But he could never see the nightingale as it was dark outside. It sings at the night time. So he could never see the nightingale, but he loves the song of nightingale. It was soothing. It will help him to sleep. What a lovely song! And extremely he wished he could understand the language of birds. Why did Ivan wish to understand the language of birds? Can you guess? Have you ever listened to the song of a nightingale? During the night time. Did you understand the lesson, my dear children? A soothing song. Let me ask some questions. Can you answer? Who was Ivan? Who was his master? What kind of a man was he? Yes, Ivan was a servant boy. His master was a merchant. He was a cruel man. Which character do you like in the passage? The merchant or Ivan? What was Ivan doing? Yes, he was looking out and enjoying the song of the nightingale. Okay, dears, all of you read the chapter once more and try to understand the story of Ivan. See you in the next class. All of you make the paper bird and read it well. See you in the next class. Thank you.